Hello everyone, this is still section 2.4 and we're going to start by distributing this inside the parenthesis. And I know it's going to be fractions, so we just have to hang tight with that. Yeah. So 2 is equal to 1/6 times 10. If you want, I'll step aside and do it. 1/6 times 10. The 6 and the 10 will reduce. There's a 2 that'll cancel out. 2 goes into 6 3 times, into 10 5 times. So now you just multiply straight across, and you're left with 5/3. So now you have 5/3 x, and 1/6 times 6 is 1. So now you just subtract 1, and you have 1 is equal to 5/3 x. And remember, to get rid of a multiplication that's a fraction, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply this side by 3/5 and multiply this side by 3/5. And 1 times 3/5 is 3/5. Okay? That's not so bad, I don't think. Let's try this one. So I have 7 equals 3/2 times 1x. There's a 1 there. So I have a 3/2 x minus, and then 6 times 3/2. So I'm just going to stand here and do it. Right here and do it. I'm not actually standing, I'm sitting. It's a 6. 2 goes into itself once, and the 6 3 times. And then you just multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 over 1 is just 9. Then add the 9 to both sides. And you have 16 is equal to 3/2 x. Now to get rid of this multiplying by 3/2, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2/3. And if it helps you see it, I'll write it a little larger over here. 2/3 times 16. There's nothing that reduces, so you just multiply straight across. That's 32 over 3. And that was equal to x. Okay, so nothing simplified, but hey, that's okay. And you can just leave it that way. You don't have to write it mixed. Just leave it as 32/3. Okay, 5/3 is going to distribute into both things. Okay, so I have 6 equals, so 5/3 times 8x. Nothing reduces. Nothing cancels diagonally. So you just multiply straight across. Okay, so I've got 40/3 x, and then I have 5/3 times 9. This does reduce. 3 goes into itself once, and then 9 3 times. So I've got 15 over 1, which is just 15. Next, subtract the 15 from both sides. And 6 minus 15 would be -9 is equal to 40/3 x. Now to get rid of 40/3, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/40. There's a 1 that's understood to be here, and you can see that nothing goes into 9 and 40, and nothing cancels there. So you just multiply straight across. So that would be -27/40 is equal to x. Okay. I know it's fractions, and sometimes they're a little hard, but I think you guys will get the hang of it. Distribute the 2/3 in. So I have 11 equals, I have 2/3 times 8x. Nothing cancels, so you just go straight across. So that would be 16/3 x, and then I have 12 times 2/3. The 3 goes into itself once, into 12 4 times. So I have 8 plus 8. Subtract the 8 from both sides, and I have 3 is equal to 16/3 x. To get rid of the 16/3, I multiply both sides by 3/16. This is over a 1. Nothing cancels diagonally, so you multiply straight across. So I have 9/16 is equal to x. let me know if you guys have any problems. I'm happy and delighted to help you. Thank you for your time.